What is pragmatism? Pragmatism emerged in the late 19th century in the United States, mainly through thinkers like Charles Sanders Peirce, William James, and later John Dewey. Instead of focusing on abstract theories detached from experience, pragmatists believe that the value of an idea lies in its practical consequences. According to pragmatism, ideas are not true simply because they logically fit a system or match some absolute reality. An idea is considered true if it works effectively in helping us navigate the world, solve problems, or improve our lives. Truth, in this sense, is not static. It evolves as circumstances change. William James famously argued that beliefs should be judged by their usefulness. If a belief helps people act, adapt, or make sense of their experiences, then it has truth value. This does not mean anything goes, but rather that ideas must prove themselves through experience. John Dewey took pragmatism even further by applying it to education, politics, and democracy. He believed learning should be active and problem-centered, not based on memorizing fixed truths. For Dewey, knowledge grows through experimentation, reflection, and continuous improvement. One key feature of pragmatism is its rejection of rigid dualisms, such as mind versus body, theory versus practice, or thought versus action. Pragmatists see thinking as a tool, shaped by human needs and social contexts. In everyday life, pragmatism shows up when we ask questions like, does this method actually work? Does this belief help us move forward? Does this idea make a real difference? Rather than chasing perfect certainty, pragmatism encourages flexibility, openness, and learning from results. In a world that is constantly changing, pragmatism offers a powerful message. Ideas matter, but only if they help us live, act, and improve the world around us.